Good evening everyone. Today we're going to do fourth video on quadratic equations. And today's class I'm going to tell you how to solve time and work models. So let's get started. I've chosen 3 questions in time and work models. First question. A takes 6 days less than the time taken by B to finish a piece of work. A takes 6 days less than A takes 6 days. I'll change the color. A takes 6 days less than the time taken by B to finish a piece of work. If both A and B together can finish a work in 4 days, find the time taken by B alone to finish the work. Assume total work is 1 in all these kind of questions. Assume total work equals to 1. Let's assume that B alone take X days to finish the work. Okay, so let us assume total work is 1. Let B alone takes X days to finish the work. Let us assume B alone take X days to complete the work or to finish the work. Now, according to the question, A takes 6 days less than the time taken by B to finish the work. Now, if we assume B has taken X days, then A alone takes X minus 6 days to finish the work. The assumption can be the other way also. We can assume that A alone can finish the work in X days, then B completes in X plus 6 days. So it can be either way. So here I am directly taking as it is given in the question. Let us assume B alone takes X days to finish the work. Now as per the instruction, A takes 6 days less than the time taken by B. So if B takes X days, A takes X minus 6 days to finish the work. And it's important to define what X here is. X is the number of days and total work is 1. Now next line of the question says if both A and B work together, they finish the work in 4 days. Now B is 1 day work. B's 1 day work equals to 1 divided by X. Because total work divided by total days B has worked will be equal to his 1 day work. So B's 1 day work is 1 by X. Like that, A's 1 day work equals to 1 by X minus 6. Now together their 1 day work will be, together A and B's 1 day work equals 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 6. Hope you all understood this. B alone takes 1 day, 1 by X. B's 1 day work is 1 by X. A's 1 day work is 1 by X minus 6. Together A and B's 1 day work will be 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 6. Now, as per the info given in the question, together they finish the work in 4 days. So, together work is 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 6 is equals 1 by 4. Because together they are doing it for 4 days and total work is taken as 1. So, their 1 day work will be 1 by 4. Now, let us solve this equation and find the value of X. So we take LCM. So that means X into X minus 6 is the LCM. So x minus 6 plus x is equals to 1 by 4. And yeah, we get 2x minus 6. We get 2x minus 6 by x into x minus 6 is equals to 1 by 4. Cross multiply. 4 times 2x minus 6 is equals 1 times x into x minus 6. So 8x, 24, x square minus 6x. So x square minus 6x minus 8x plus 24 equals to 0. So we get x square minus 14x plus 24 equals to 0. Now what product is 24? Sum is minus 14. So therefore it is minus 12 into minus 2. Minus 12 into minus 2 is plus 24, and minus 12 minus 2 is minus 14. So this becomes x square minus 12x minus 2x plus 24 equal to 0. X times x minus 12 minus 2 times x minus 12. So x minus 12 into x minus 2. So x is equal to we get x is equal to 12 and x is equal to 2. Now, when x is 12, the other fellow is finishing the work in x minus 6 days. So that means if B finishes the work in 12 days, because x is assumed for B here, A finishes in x minus 6 days. So that means 12 minus 6, and therefore we get x is equal to 6. So A completes the work in 6 days, whereas B completes the work in 12 days. Now imagine if we take x is equal to 2. If x is 2, then x minus 6 will be minus 4. How can number of days be negative? So therefore this is not possible. So hence this is x equal to 2 is rejected. So the answer is 12 and 6. So this is our first question in time and work model. Now let's move to the second one. Second question, two pipes running together can fill a tank in 3 1 by 3 minutes. So together two pipes can fill a tank in 3 1 by 13 minutes. One pipe takes 3 minutes more than the other to fill it. So individually if you make them to work, one takes 3 minutes more than the other. Find the time taken by each pipe would fill the tank. Find the time in which each pipe would fill the tank. Now, again, in all the speed model, time and work models, we have to consider total work equals to 1. Assume that the faster pipe takes x minutes to fill the tank. Assume the faster pipe takes x minutes to fill the tank, and as per the given instruction in the question, one pipe takes 3 minutes more than the other. So if the faster one takes 3 minutes, obviously the slower one will take x plus 3 minutes. So the slower pipe takes x plus 3 minutes to fill the tank. Now, one pipe's 1 minute work. The total work is 1. The faster pipe work for x minutes, and the slower pipe works for x plus 3 minutes. Now their 1 minute work will be 1 by x. faster pipes 1 minute work is equal to total work divided by total minutes they work 1 by x. Likewise, the slower pipes 1 minute work is equal to 1 by x plus 3. Together, 1 minute work is equals to 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 3. And together, according to the question, together they fill the tank in 1 by 13 minutes. So 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 3 equals 1 by 1 by 30. Now let's make the the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So that way we get 3940 by 13. So you flip it and there you get 13 by 40. 1 by x by 1 by x plus 3 equals to 1 by 40 by 13. When you bring it up, you will get 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 3 equals 13 by 40. Now take LCM as usual. The rest is normal solving. Let's take LCM. We get x into x plus 3 as our LCM. So x plus 3 plus x is equal to 13 by 40. So we get 2x plus 3 by x into x plus 3 equals to 13 by 40. If you cross multiply, you will get 40 times 2x plus 3 equals 13 times x into x plus 3. Simplify this. You end up by getting a quadratic equation which is 13x square minus 41x minus 120 equal to 0. So once you expand everything and take all the terms to one side, you get this quadratic equation 13x square minus 41x minus 120. Now if you can factorize using splitting the middle term, do it. Otherwise, use the quadratic formula. If you use the quadratic formula, you use a as 13, b as minus 41, c as minus 120. Solve and you will get the value of x. So a is 13, b is minus 41 and c is minus 120. So applying the formula, x equals 41 plus or minus root of minus 41 square 4 into 13 into minus 120 whole divided by 2 into 13. Now x is equal to 41 plus or minus root over 41 square. Let's find it. So here is the calculation of this. So we get 14, all this 14 square, 41 square, 1681. 4 into 13 into minus 120, which is 6040, 6240. And when you add 6240 with 1681, we get 7921. Now find the square root of 7921. That's 89. So we get 41 plus or minus 89 by 26. In one of the previous videos of quadratic equation, I've showed you how to find the square root. So if you're not familiar with the method, you watch the video and try the square root of 7921. So now 41 plus 89, which is 130 by 26 is one of the case. And then 41 minus 89, which is minus 48 by 26. Well, this is rejected because x indicates the days or the minutes. The x indicates the minute, so that cannot be negative. So we will take only the first case. 130 divided by 26 is 5. So x is equal to 5 minutes. So one takes 5 minutes, so the other takes x plus 3. So that means 8 minutes to finish the work. So this is how we get the answer for the second one. Now the third question, something similar to the first one only. Everything is same type, so if you just rework it again, you will understand. A takes 10 days than the time taken by B to finish a piece of work. If both A and B together can finish in 12 days, find the time taken by B alone to finish the work. A takes 10 days less than the time taken by B, less. A takes 10 days less than the time taken by B to finish a piece of work. Assume that A takes, suppose let total work equals to 1. Let B takes X days to complete the work. Then A will take X minus 10 days to complete the same work. A's 1 day work will be 1 by X. Likewise, B's 1 day work will be 1 by X minus, A's 1 day work will be 1 by X minus 10 and B's 1 day work will be 1 by X. So just back to my assumption, A takes X days to finish the work. So B takes X days to finish the work. So B's 1 day work is 1 by X. A takes X minus 10 days to finish the work. So A's 1 day work will be 1 by X minus 10. Together their 1 day work will be, together A and B's one day work equals 1 by X minus 10, that is of A, and 1 by X of B. And as per the information given in the question, they can finish the work together in 12 days. So their 1 day work is equal to 1 by 12. So 1 by X minus 10 plus 1 by X is equal to 1 by 12. Together they complete a work in 12 days. So their 1 day work will be 1 by 12. Now continue with the same process. You get X plus X minus 10 by X into X minus 10 equals to 1 by 12. 2X minus 10 into X minus 10 equals to 1 by 12. So 12 times 2X minus 10 equals 1X into X minus 10. That means 24X minus 120 equals X square minus 10X. So X square minus 10X minus 24X plus 120 equal to 0. So X square minus 34X plus 120 equal to 0. Now either use splitting the middle term or use the quadratic formula to solve this. So here I've applied all the values and did a little bit of calculation. So B square is 1156, 4 into A into C is 4 into 1 into 120 and product of that is 480. So we get 34 plus or minus root over 1156 minus 480. So X is equal to 34 plus or minus root over 1156 minus 480 will give us 676 divided by 2. Root over 676 is 34. So we get 26 by 2. Root over 676 is 26. So there'll be two cases here, 34 plus 26 by 2 or 34 minus 26 by 2. 34 plus 26 is 60 by 2, and that's 30. And the other one is 34 minus 26, which is 8. So 8 by 2, that's 4. Now, what is X stands for? X stands for the days, isn't it? X stands for the days taken by B to finish the work. And if B takes X days, A take X minus 10 days. Now, that means if B takes X days, that's equal to 30 days. Then A takes X minus 10 days. So that means it's 30 minus 10, 20 days for A. Now, if we go with the next assumption of X being 4, we get X minus 10 as minus 6, and that is not possible, hence we reject it. So the answer is 30, 20. Hope you understand these three level 1 questions in time and work. If you have any doubt, drop a message in the message box. Thank you.